It's open now. Okay. Speak English.
Speak.
Records. Re-record.
Hey! Why is closed?
Okay now.
No, not close. It's working now. It's working
Okay.
like this. It's working.
Okay. Okay, this is okay. Okay, I show you the first secret. But I have two solid drinks. Don't do it too because it's only fixed. It's fixed. And the other one, no cup. And the third, so this is all its pairing. But remember, don't hold the organ.
Nagbibigay pa ng nude yung...
And it's over the ring like this.
Nagbibigay ng nude yung ano?
Don't like this. Not like this. Only like this. And then remember, so cover the feeling like this and then just this. Don't do outside. Just do it inside like this. But remember, so very fast like this. Like this. Don't show slowly. Don't show slowly. Because I see the audience, stop. But don't show. But maybe like this. Maybe fast. Okay. Don't show like this slowly. But mas better. That one.
Okay? Nadihiro, it's okay. You get or not?
Yeah. And then, but so how to make it? Okay. And then, one, two, just take it out. Take it out. And then, so one more time. And then, so hold the audience, and then, the to tell it, do you do it? So, nothing, because it's on your feet. Not for this one. It's only one. And then, so you play again, just take it here, and then show it like this, and just inside, One, two, and three. Alright? Take it at one. Yan. Yan, like this. Just tight it, okay? Tight it. Okay, so, now try it. Okay, so hold, and then just get inside. Yeah, like this.
Oh, good, huh?
Okay, so one more time. Okay?
Oh, you know, huh?
Just take it out, and then show like this, and then just get inside.
Oh! Professional magician.
Not very. Okay, plastic. So this is a magic pound, like this.
Nagbayad na kuya, ah.
Okay, just hold it. Okay, another magic. So this is a magic. It's a magic pound, like this. I show you, after I show the secret. Show your hand like this, and pag remember, just close, and just put inside. That's it.
Ha? Paano? Hindi ko na-get. I did not
This is a
know it.
main secret, so this is a magic town. This is a magic town. This is a magic town. But remember, yes, I mean. So remember, don't show the top like this. Don't show like this. Much better like this. So cover the little happy. And you show the audience like this. And you show your head. Front and back. So nothing. But close it and then just put inside first the thumb. But don't do like this. Don't do like this. But like this. And then so this is a thumb inside. And then just put the little happy. And it's alright.
No more.
There. But I remember, you just go inside. And then show it. Don't show like this, like this. Like this.
Maybe somebody very wide. What do you do? Jalan?
Other. Sige.
It's hard to understand.
And then just put inside. Out.
Usually do this.
If you like that, I give you a discount again. Okay, again, another magic. So this is coin bite. Very easy the coin bite. Okay, what? Like a 1 piece of coin. Okay, what?
Hindi kumaklo.
I like it. Where is it?
So this is a coin bite. This is a coin bite.
How much?
300 only. This is a special coin. This is special coin. Not an ordinary coin. Okay, again. One more time. Okay, so.
Sir.
Okay. My God! Stop.
Very